Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Natural Timmy, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do my stretch twist out. I've done a tutorial on this before, but this is like the first time postpartum that I've done it, and I just want to work my hand through my hair, see how it is as far as postpartum shedding and things like that. So that's why I decided to play with my hair. Plus I haven't even washed my hair in about two months. I know it's so bad, but like, I'm a new mom, and so taking care of this baby is so new for me that I haven't had any time to take care of me. So it's 10:30 p.m. That's the time that I have to take care of me, and yeah, it took me about 2 hours to wash and condition, well, detangle, and then I needed to deep condition, but I didn't deep condition just because I didn't have time to deep condition, because if I had to deep condition, my hair wasn't going to get done. So to save time and to actually do my hair and film this video, I was like, okay, let me just skip deep conditioning. So that's what I did. I need to stop going so long without washing my hair, because the process of like detangling is so long because it's so tangled. It's just unrealistic for me to keep doing this. So what I'm doing now is about to get ready to do my twist out. I'm just using these two products that I really love. So I'm just taking this section right now. Maybe I should like hand part this section. My hair's a tangled mess. I need to deep condition. Oh my goodness, I need to deep condition. I'm on borrowed time. Like, it's not about me anymore. It's this girl's time. My husband is watching her, which is why I even have time to do this. Usually I would have been too tired by now, but I woke up at 5 p.m. and I said, look, I'm gonna get something done. Okay, so we're gonna part this into two sections. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with water. Oh, I forgot to use my leave-in, so I guess I'll just use it as I'm parting each section. But this is the lemongrass leave-in conditioner by Alec Natural, and I really love Alec Natural products. Like, I haven't shown it on my page a lot, but these are like some of my favorite products, just because they're all natural, and they just really work really good with my hair. So I sprayed on my hand. As you can see, it's yellow, and like I said, this is a leave-in, and usually I use the same brand together, but not today. So right now I'm using the Grow Secrets curl enhancer. So this is a cream curl enhancer, and I've used this on my channel before. I showed you guys a tutorial using it, and I just really like their products as well. It's like a moussey type of cream. So yeah, I will use African Pride because I really love African Pride products, but I was like, you know what, let me use some other products. And we're just gonna do, like I said, a stretch twist out. Nothing like that'll take too long to dry or take too long to do. So I brush it out, and I'm brushing it a couple of times because, like I said, my hair is tangled. So I mean, of course, like when I detangled it, when I washed it, I got most of it out, but I need to deep condition so it can further come out. But like I said, my ends are feeling somehow like they're feeling a little bit drier. I don't know if it's because I need to actually comb them instead of brush it, or if it's just they're just going to be dry. Twist, twist, twist. And I'm going to do the stretching part at the end. Right now we're just twisting it up. So yeah, as I'm doing my hair, let's talk. So what's up? Like, how has being a new mom gone for me? How's it going so far? It's a lot. But I wouldn't trade it for the world. If you follow me on Instagram at Naturally Timmy, you'll see my baby girl and all the pictures that I have my baby girl. Like, she's so precious, and she's just something I couldn't even dream of. If I ever thought like, oh, what would my baby look like? I wonder what she'll look like. I wonder how she'll be. Like, she really exceeded my expectations. I'm so in love. Like I said, a lot of work, a lot of sleepless nights. But I enjoy being a mother, so we thank God. Okay, and then we go to the next one. Luckily I haven't experienced any postpartum shedding. As well, fingers crossed I don't experience it at all, but I'm just hitting 3 months postpartum, and people say, oh, 3 months is when the shedding begins, so hopefully I don't experience it at all. Of course I'll keep you guys looped in on whether I get it or not, but I'm hoping I don't, as we all hope. Oops. What things do you guys want to see from me other than hair videos? I've always wanted to do vlogs, but the way vlogs are set up is like they're so long to edit. This so like I've recorded vlogs before, but when it comes to editing, it's like I'm not editing all this, so that's why they never like make it onto YouTube. So other than vlogs and hair videos, what else do you guys want to see from me? Like, I really want to know, because I definitely want to expand my channel this year. I've been wanting to do it for a while now. I played and dabbled in some like try-on hauls, Fashion Nova, and all those things. I don't know if you guys like it or not, so just let me know. Like, I would love to know what you guys would like to see. Of course, when baby girl gets older, she'll be doing hair, well, I'll be doing hair tutorials on her, so you guys don't even have to ask about that, because that will come. You guys don't be like me and skip deep conditioning day, because look, the way my hair feels right now, it doesn't feel at its best at all. I'm really bad with taking prenatals or postnatals. I know people say, oh, even after you're giving birth, in order to like not have as much shedding or stop shedding, or not have as much shedding or not have it at all, that you need to take your continue taking your prenatals. But I was bad at taking pills to begin with, so taking it after pregnancy, that wasn't gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple more. I'll show you guys how to do the first two. I'm gonna do a couple more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and come back. So I'm back, and I have one more section left. So it goes by pretty fast when you section, because I would have been overwhelmed if I just like had my hair unsectioned all in just one big fro or something, and I started doing my hair, I would have felt overwhelmed. So when I sectioned it, I see that I was more motivated to go faster, and that's what I did. I went faster, and I even took breaks. So yep, let's get this last section done with. So this is the section. I would say that I did the twist in like they're like medium increments, and yeah, they're like, the size is like medium. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. So when I washed my hair and detangled it, even though my hair is extremely tangled, it took me a long time to detangle it. Even like with, you know, detangling my hair now as I'm doing it, I don't think I got that much shedding, so that's a good thing. And I don't see any bald spots or anything as I was doing it, so I don't have any postpartum shedding yet. Well, let me not say yet. Let me just say I don't have it, because yet will imply that I expect to have it, and I'm not expecting it. I'm not expecting of it. It's good to just come back on camera. Like, it took me a long time to come back on camera, just because I thought I lost my mojo. Well, I did lose my mojo. And I wasn't motivated. Like I said, I had a lot of things going, like taking care of a newborn, and you guys understand, right? You guys give me a lot of grace when it comes to, like, you know, when I leave YouTube, like, you know, take care of your child comes first, we'll be here. You know, so that also like helps me not put so much pressure on myself to like force myself, because you know, if I have to force myself, look, y'all not getting my best. And yeah, I don't want to give you guys crazy content that is just blah, which I've done. Ooh, Lord. I get a lot of help though. I get a lot of help with my husband. So, and I always say like, oh my goodness, like to the single mothers out there, I don't know how you do it, but you are superwoman. Like, you are superwoman. I'm not saying like, you know, with me having a partner that I'm not doing a lot, because I still am, but I can imagine doing it on my own. I could not imagine doing it on my own at all. So like, big ups. Big ups. So we're home. We've been home. I mean, we're always home. Like, you know, this coronavirus and this quarantine and social distancing thing, this is something that I've been doing all my life. You guys know that I'm an introvert. So I've been doing it for a long time. As long as I can remember. So it's nothing new or hard for me to do. But, you know, just even like the world being like kind of like shut down, really like put things in perspective, like what's important, what's not important. And yeah, like spending time with your loved ones, the ones that are always busy going to work. Well, actually, are you really spending time with them? Because you're supposed to be social distancing. Even just talking to them on the phone and just having time to do things that you usually would never have time to do. Instagram's been different. Like, a lot of people have been creating more content. Like, I think it's more fun, like with the social media, lives, the DJs and all that stuff. I think it's been pretty cool. It just gives America a chance to like breathe. Like, I understand that it's gonna hit a lot of people hard, but my spirits is high just because I trust in God. And also because, you know, when things are out of your control, what can you really do? Like, worrying is not going to do anything. And if worrying is not going to change the situation, why even put your thoughts toward, you know, that? So hopefully by the time this is over, like, we come back stronger. So far with the brace and everything, this is taking me about 45 minutes to do. I'm trying to hurry up because it's time for me to feed Genesis. And she does not take her feedings. She doesn't play with her feedings. Like, she takes it very seriously. That girl loves to eat. Well, babies don't like to eat. But, you know, all babies like to eat, but the way she likes to eat, she's very aggressive. Like, when she wants to eat at that time. And, you know, now, like, there's no waiting. If you give her a bottle, the way she grabs it from you. If you take the bottle away from her prematurely, like, the way that she will go crazy. Oh my goodness, she's so aggressive. So I'm finally healed when it comes to my postpartum healing. Thank God, finally. It only took, what, 3 months? Like, that was so long. But I thank God that I'm healed. I thank God the process is over with, because that stuff hurt. I was in pain for a very long time, and I just wasn't in the mood for anything. So we thank God that I'm now healing. Well, I'm now healed. Okay, so all done. So what I'm gonna do is, just so you guys can see where the bobby pins are going to be, I'm going to use a colored bobby pin, which is going to be this gold one. Pull, stretch, shake, let it go. Anyway, I'm going to pull it and then I'm going to pin it. So, let me see. Right now, let me move these. Ooh, this out the way. And pinning. And I'm not going to do it all the way towards the end because I still want my ends to be coiled. So I'm going to stop around here. Then I'm going to move this section. Okay, then I'm going to take this section out. It's like a wrap. You guys know we used to get them relaxers and used to wrap your hair and then put the scarf on. Basically the same concept. So like that. Okay, so usually my hair would take like a day and a half to dry with a regular twist out, but because these are kind of like on my head, they're going to take a little longer to dry, so I'm going to leave them in for like 2 or 3 days, 3 days probably, and then we'll come back, you know, we'll take them out, we'll see how it is, and yeah, so this is how it looks, and we'll be back in 2 3 days. Okay, y'all, so this is 3 days later. We in quarantine, y'all. Well, social distancing, so we ain't got nowhere to go. So this is the perfect time to get all the hairstyles that you usually can't get out. Just do them because you ain't going nowhere. But anyway, so this is how it looked. I'm taking the bobby pins out. And I'm just showing you guys my edges so you guys can see that I don't have any shedding. Thank God. And I'm using the Kiss hair oil. This is an argan oil. And I'm using that for my entire head and just putting it over the twist before I take it out. And then I, you know, do the takedown process, which is what I do with everything. It's kind of self-explanatory. So I sped it up. So my hair is looking pretty long. Let me know if you guys think my hair is longer or thicker after pregnancy or since pregnancy, because I don't know if I see a difference, but I mean, you guys may be able to tell me, but there's a difference. And then I'm just going ahead and pick it. I'm not going to pick it out too much just because I don't want to lose the curls, you know, because I stretched it. I don't have as much curls as I would have if I didn't stretch it. So that's why I'm not picking it out like that. And then I'm just styling it. And then that's really it. So I really love this style. I always do this style whenever I want to see how long my hair is and I want to add heat to my hair. I think I'm going to turn this style into a perm rod set once it's old. Since it's already stretched, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.